namaskar. We have the privilege of having Honorable Justice Arun Kumar Mishra ji, who is the Chairperson of NHRC and at IIPA. We are going to talk to him about B.R.Ambedkar's legacy. Of course, he talks about the whole social cohesion and whole lot of spectrum that he actually underlaid for our country. We're going to talk to Sir about what it means actually take ahead Dr. Ambedkar's legacy.
His vision is a guiding force and is being carried forward by the various governments very effectively, and we have to ensure that we are able to implement the various welfare schemes in right earnest, and benefit is trickled down to the lowest from those who require affirmative action to come up and to form part of the mainstream of the society.
So the theme is 2047 and the vision.
Yes, for that Viksit Bharat, we are going to achieve by developing that class which is still deprived of
So
fruits.
some of the crucial points, sir, for that.
Crucial points are only technological advancement is there, you see. We have to take it down, digital divide. We are already aware that there should not be any digital divide. And quality education, hybrid education in case in far-flung areas you are not able to provide the same facilities. We have the technology, it can be used for the educational purposes, upbringing, and it is being done very effectively.
So women's rights also.
Women rights definitely require to ponder, and slowly we are inching towards equality, real status, real social equality, and they should be equal participant in the socio-economic development, and they have say in the political matters, policy matters of the country. And yes, India is far ahead than other countries.
Thank you so much for talking to us.